Hello everyone, how are you all? I am Nungaribo. Today, let's learn about diseases. A disease is a condition of the body or its part in which functions are disturbed or deranged. Diseases. A disease is a condition of the body or its part in which functions are disturbed or deranged. Bacterial diseases in human beings. Disease, pathogen or bacteria, affected organ or symptom. Disease, tuberculosis, pathogen, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, affected organ, lungs, symptom, repeated coughing or high fever. Diphtheria, pathogen, Corynebacterium diphtheria, affected organ, respiratory tract, symptom, difficulty in respiration, mainly in child of age between 2 to 5 years. Whooping cough or pertussis, pathogen Bacillus pertussis, affected organ, respiratory system, symptom, continuous coughing. Cholera, pathogen Vibrio cholera, affected organ, intestine, symptom, vomiting, acute diarrhea, muscular cramps, dehydration, etc. Tetanus, lockjaw, pathogen Clostridium tetani, affected organ, central nervous system, symptom, painful contraction of neck and jaw muscle followed by paralysis of thoracic muscles. Pneumonia, pathogen Diplococcus pneumoniae, affected organ, lungs, symptom, sudden chill, chest pain, cough, high fever and swelling in lungs. Typhoid, pathogen Salmonella typhi, affected organ, intestine, symptom, high fever, diarrhea, headache and gastrointestinal disorder. Syphilis, pathogen Treponema pallidum, affected organ, urinary path, symptom, wounds in urinogenital tracts. Next is viral diseases in human beings. Disease, pathogen, affected part and symptom. Disease, measles, rubella disease, pathogen rubella virus, affected part, whole body, symptom, loss of appetite, reddish eruption on the body. Chickenpox, pathogen varicella virus, affected part, whole body, symptom, high fever, reddish eruption on the body. Smallpox, variola virus, affected part, whole body, symptom, light fever, eruption of bile on the body. Polio or poliomyelitis, pathogen poliovirus, affected part, throat, backbone and nerve, symptom, fever, backbone and intestine wall cells are destroyed, it leads to paralysis. Influenza, flu, spread from person to person, pathogen influenza virus, family Orthomyxoviridae, affected part, whole body, symptom, inflammation of upper respiratory tract, nose, throat and chest leading to death. Rabies, hydrophobia, pathogen RNA virus called rabies virus, affected part, nervous system, symptom, encephalitis, fear of water, high fever, headache, spasm of throat and chest leading to death. Hepatitis A, epidemic jaundice, pathogen hepatitis A virus, affected part, liver, symptom, loss of appetite, nausea, whitish stool and jaundice. Dengue fever, transmitted by female Aedes aegypti mosquito. Pathogen RNA containing dengue virus. Affected part whole body, particularly head, eyes, and joints. Symptom high fever, backache, headache, retroorbital pain behind the eyeball. AIDS, acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Pathogen human immunodeficiency virus HIV. Affected part white blood cells. Symptoms weak immune system. Herpes, pathogen herpes virus. Affected part skin. Symptom swelling in skin. Ebola virus disease. Pathogen Ebola virus filovirus. Affected part whole body. Symptom fatal hemorrhagic fever, liver and kidney dysfunction, vomiting, headache. Swine influenza flu. Pathogen H1N1 flu virus. Affected part body, whole body muscles. Symptom headache, tiredness, sore throat, vomiting, breathing problems. COVID-19 pathogen novel coronavirus. Affected part respiratory system. Symptom fever, dry cough, tiredness, aches and pains, nasal congestion, headache, conjunctivitis, sore throat, diarrhea, loss of taste or smell, or a rash on skin or discoloration of fingers or toes. Next is protozoan diseases. They are vectors and affected part. Disease, pathogen, causative agent, vector, parts affected and symptoms. African trypanosomiasis, sleeping sickness or Gambian liver. Pathogen Trypanosoma gambians. Vector say fly, Glossina palpalis. Parts affected and symptoms blood and nervous tissue. Person feels sleepy, may cause death. Amoebic dysentery, amoebiasis. Pathogen Entamoeba histolytica. Vector none. Infection by contamination. Parts affected and symptoms colon, develop loose motion with blood, pain in abdomen. Diarrhea. Pathogen Giardia. Vector none. Infection by contamination. Parts affected and symptoms digestive system, causes loose motions and vomiting. Kala Azar or Dum fever. Pathogen Leishmania donovani. Vector sandflies, Phlebotomus. Affected parts and symptoms spleen and liver enlarge and high fever develops. Filariasis or elephantiasis. Pathogen Wuchereria bancrofti. Vector Culex mosquito. Affected parts and symptoms swelling of legs, testes and other body parts. Malaria. Pathogen Plasmodium sp. Vector female Anopheles mosquito. Affected parts and symptoms periodical attacks of high fever, pain in joints accompanied by chill, heavy perspiration and fast pulse. Thank you. That's all for today.